Hey guys, welcome back to JCZ Craft Vlogs and more. As you know, I am new to gardening and this is my new hobby. And so I started back in September 22nd. These are all the seeds that I planted this year since, yeah, September 22nd. I became so addicted to indoor hydroponic growing system and have been enjoying it ever since. So let's get started. So my mom brought me another AeroGuard and Bounty Elite, which I am so excited about, and I decided to hold on to this so I can do this challenge. Uh, Mike's Chaotic Gardening, another YouTuber, a gardener, he is doing a challenge called Winter Indoor Gardening. So I'm excited to go ahead and do this challenge. Now, I know it began December 1st, but I was so busy with so much stuff, but I am glad to get around to it before the end of the year. And I'm excited. So shout out to Mike's Chaotic Gardening, and I am all in, okay? And I cannot wait. So let's get into what I'm going to be planting for the winter, okay? Anywho, I am about to get into. I'm not going to get into the whole unboxing of this because I have a Arrow Garden Bounty Elite unboxing on my channel already. So let's just get into what I'm thinking about planting and so forth. So let's go. What should I plant? So I'm definitely planting some bok choy, some tomatoes, and I don't know because these plants get big, they grow large. So I'm trying to decide what I'm gonna do. So for definitely going to do some bok choy, tomato, because my other tomato plant, I think I killed it. Cutting off the stems wrong. I thought I was doing it right, but I don't see any pollen coming back on. But I'll give you an update over at my gardening channel, okay? And so I'm leaning towards broccoli because my daughter wants broccoli, and I so want some peppers. So I'll probably do peppers later, okay? I'll do peppers later. But what you think I should plant? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Okay, so also for which is winter indoor gardening that Mike started, I am about to do in my Mufka garden. We are going to replant some of the ruby red, Lord, see, I'm overthinking it. Ruby red radishes. No, we're going to do radishes and then ruby red beets. So here's my seed box that I have stored, as you can see. So as I open envelopes, I go ahead and store them in here. And so we're going to go ahead and find our ruby red radishes. I'm going to find something else that they said to stick it to the top, and I should have, but I didn't. Okay? But it's okay. Here we go. Boop, boop. Ruby red queen beets. So I'm going to take that out, and then we need the radishes. So, which shouldn't be too far. Here we go. Radish cherry. Here we go. Okay? So we're about to do that. And plant those, and then we'll see what's going on. So we have that going on in our winter indoor gardening, okay? In the 18 pod Mufka. Already got water in there. That's just bubbles, so don't pay no attention. And we're going to plant that back here. I told you I'm going to do some arugula back here in the Harvest 2.0. So, not arugula, bok choy back here, okay? I haven't opened that. I have a fresh pack of those, and then I'll show you what we're going to put in our new baby that we have. Be right back. All right, guys, we are ready to go. We have our radishes on this side. I put 2 seeds in each. And we have our beets on this side, 2 seeds in each. Today is Friday, December 27th. Okay. And we will be back. I will update you later on. So I've already grown these one time, had to trash them, learned my lesson not to put any beans or anything else. So let's see how the radishes and the beets do in here. And I will catch up with you guys later to let you know the progress. All right, so we are putting bok choy, all right, up in our harvest. Okay, and yeah, I am ready. So I think I'm only going to do 4, because I don't want to overdo it like I did the last time planting that chicory. So yeah, we about to put this down. So our bok choy is planted, and I will be back with an update as soon as I see some seedlings. All right. Hey guys, so I changed my mind. I'm not going to do the tomatoes. We are just going to do broccoli, okay? I've learned my lesson, mix and matching. I'm still learning, so let's do this experiment here and see how the broccoli goes, okay? So I'm going to plant 5, and I'm going to put 2 seeds in each, and we'll remove the seedlings if more than one grow in each pot. So let's get started. I'm going to put this in and we're going to set this up properly and pray that this grows. Right here is what the seeds look like, the broccoli seeds look like. And they said this can grow up to 24 to 30 inches tall. So we'll try to control the growth as much as possible, but let's do this. All right, we are all set. So I'm all set for the wig challenge, winter indoor gardening. Our broccoli is planted, okay? And so this is day 1. Today is December 29th. I made it, y'all, before the end of the year. Happy New Year's, everybody. Happy gardening, and stay tuned for updates on my wig, #wig challenge, okay? I will keep y'all updated as much as possible. Happy gardening and wish me luck.